Ever crave that impossibly delicious, incredibly affordable Costco hot dog experience, but can't make it to the warehouse? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to replicating that iconic flavor right in your own kitchen. First things first, the star of the show, the hot dog. For that authentic Costco taste, you absolutely want to opt for a quarter-pound, all-beef Frankfurter brands like Hebrew National or Nathan's Famous are excellent choices that come closest to that signature snap and savory beefiness. Next, let's talk buns. You'll need a soft, slightly oversized, steamed hot dog bun. The key here is softness. A tough bun just won't cut it. Look for buns labeled as steamed. Or if you can't find them, lightly steam your regular buns in a steamer basket for just a minute or two until they're wonderfully pliable. Now for the cooking method to achieve that perfect plumpness and slight char. We're going for a boil followed by a quick sear. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add your beef hot dogs. Let them boil for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once boiled, drain the hot dogs and immediately transfer them to a preheated, lightly oiled griddle or grill pan over medium-high heat. Sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they develop those beautiful grill marks and a slightly crispy exterior. The toppings are crucial for that authentic flavor. We're talking classic ketchup, a good quality yellow mustard, sweet green relish, and finely chopped white onions. Prep these by getting them ready to go before assembly. Now for the satisfying assembly. Gently place your perfectly seared hot dog into the warm, steamed bun, making sure it fits snugly. Apply your toppings with a bit of finesse: a bold stripe of ketchup, a zigzag of yellow mustard, a generous spoonful of relish, and a light, even scattering of those finely chopped onions. The visual is part of the experience. And there you have it, a circumflex euros, your very own homemade Costco-style hot dog, ready to be devoured without the long lines. Enjoy that perfect bite of nostalgia.